Ah. I got a couple knife kills.
Ghost activated.
I got a guy up there.
Dirt's letting her eat somewhere. I love that sentry turret.
Yeah, dude, that's my favorite one.
Did somebody call for Wilson?
Mission complete.
Wilson!
Mr. Wilson!
Oh, my sentry turret's down.
Yeah, they got it.
I can't.
Lucy!
Hold the Steve.
Help me.
Help!
Friendly UAV online.
Got him. Oh, God. Oh, shit. I got one.
Nigga bitches!
Enemy down!
Nigga bitch. Sounds like a frog.
Let me in. Not by the hair, my fried chicken. Crack myself up.
Fire! Sniper!
Let me in. Not by the hair, my fried chicken.
They're in the tennis court.
Oh, you rooster.
Target destroyed!
Dude, they are mad at me, bro. They don't call me
Sandbags
ninja after
incoming!
this. I didn't do my job right.
Semtex!
Oh, dude, they're getting mad. He's like, I got him finally.
Throwing shot stick!
Tennis courts, 3 of them.
Switching mags!
Standing by.
Smoke. Fuck yourself.
Requesting recon flyover!
Damn, we're ripping them a new
Online and
asshole.
orbiting the AO.
Enemy contact!
Oh,
This-
down below me,
In the
building.
middle of that rooster guy.
Oh my god, how did I get...
Shotgun.
He's camping in
How did
the
I
middle in the
me.
closet or something.
blow knee?
Get him.
Call me.
Tennis court right below.
UAV is bingo fuel.
There was a...
RTB at the time.
Oh, damn. There's too many of them.
I didn't pack.
Is there ever
Got
too many?
one. Watch it, Floppy. There's a guy over here somewhere. No.
I'm getting stitched up!
UAV ready to deploy.
Requesting recon at my location!
Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO.
One more. Watch it shit behind me.
Reloading!
Ah, no! I can't believe he couldn't get me. That must be real frustrating.
Exiting the AO.
It's like when you know someone's gonna get you, and there's like, they don't.
Throwing Molotov! Throwing shot stick!
We're on the advance. Keep the pressure, lads. The UAV on station.
Missed.
What's up,
Whoa.
Throwing drill charge!
Oh, down the hallway there.
Approaching from the rear. I'm hit!
It's tennis courts.
Oh, fuck you. Kind of bitch.
Oh!
Missed. I missed twice in a row.
Stop shooting me!
Enemy UAV overhead.
Alright.
They attacked me! Lasso.
God damn.
Watch the kill cam.
Mission complete. Solid work.
Is this the guy that gets double teamed?
This is the guy with the knife.
Oh.
I'm just like, where the fuck are they?
Oh, he blew his money out.
That was like
Buddy
one of those
hop.
ninja hops, dude. That's like what Merlin does. Little hops. Battle hops like that.
Something about Nicaraguan gunners.
I had them all muted, man. That's why I couldn't hear them.